To create a U-bolt this exact, this strong, with quality around the bend, you have to start with this. The Centermark Bender from H Threaded Rods. The exclusive Centermark Bender is innovative, efficient, and easy to operate. Take a look. First, select the correct diameter of rod to be bent. The Centermark Bender accommodates rods from 3/8 of an inch through 1 1/4 inches in diameter. Now select the proper bending die. H offers a wide selection of dies to suit your needs. Next, turn on the power. The Centermark Bender is electronically controlled, providing immediate response with less effort and better control. The machine starts and stops instantly on command, a great safety feature. After the power is on, insert the bending die and jog the machine downward into position for setup, using either the push button or remote foot controls. The center of the forming roller should be 1 1/2 inches below the widest part of the die. Next, adjust the machine for the diameter of the rod to be bent. The distance between the rollers and the die should be a minimum of 1/8 of an inch plus the diameter of the rod. The Centermark Bender sets up with a patent-pending single screw adjustment, setting both the overbend angle and the width between the bending arms simultaneously, which assures equal distance between the bending die and forming rollers during setup. Retract the bending arms to the full up position, insert the rod, and align the center of the rod with the center of the die. H Threaded Rods uses their exclusive patented Centermark system, which permanently applies a label marking the exact center of the rod, assuring a perfect U-bolt every time. Lock the rod in place against the die with the clamp toggle switch. The Centermark Bender's exclusive patent-pending wedge lock design holds the rod firmly against the die. This assures the accuracy of the U-bolt radius, as well as an exact fit between the U-bolt and its mating saddle or axle. Jog the bending arms back down until the rollers contact the rod slightly. Check to make sure the rod is centered in the rollers from front to back. The rollers are designed with a V-groove to help ensure correct positioning. Now you're ready to bend. Move the bending arms down until the U-bolt is slightly overbent. The H Centermark Bender utilizes an overbend feature. Overbending is a method of cold-forming U-bolts in which the legs spring back to proper configuration. The U-bolt is bent in a single downward pass, creating equal parallel legs. Unlike other methods of overbending, which squeeze the rod and reduce the diameter of the U-bolt, damaging the shoulder area, the Centermark Bender overbends low on the U-bolt leg, eliminating contact with the critical shoulder area, assuring the integrity and diameter of the entire U-bolt. After bending, retract the bending arms to the full up position. Unlock the clamp and remove the U-bolt from the die. Insert the tips of the U-bolt over the bending die as a quality control check. Turn off the power and admire your work. You've made a quality U-bolt, and you'll make one every time with the Centermark U-Bolt Bender from H Threaded Rods.